So find the equation of the ellipse whose vertices are plus or minus 5, 0 and foci plus or minus 4, 0. In this case, their y coordinates are 0, 0. Means vertices as well as foci lies on x-axis here. Hence, x-axis becomes a major axis here. Means the ellipse is in this direction here. Okay. Therefore, this is a major axis here. Then A dash. These are the vertices here. So one coordinate is 5, 0. The other coordinate is minus 5, 0. Similarly, S and S dash, these are the foci here. So one coordinate is 4, 0. The other one is minus 4, 0. Therefore, here vertices and foci lies on x-axis. Therefore, equation of the ellipse is of the form. Therefore, equation of the ellipse is of the form x square divided by a square, then plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1, where a is greater than b. Therefore, vertices they given here. Therefore, vertices plus or minus a 0 is equal to plus or minus 5, 0. Therefore, here value of a is 5. A is equal to 5. Then the foci. So plus or minus a into e, 0 is equal to plus or minus 4, 0. Therefore, a into e is equal to 4. Okay. Then we know that here. So b square is equal to a square into bracket 1 minus of e square here. Take a square inside the bracket here. A square minus of a square e square here. Then e value is 5. So it is 5 square here. And e into is 4. So it is 4 square. Then 5 square is 25. And 4 square is 16 here. That is equal to 9. B square is equal to 9 here. Therefore, B value is 3 here. B is equal to 3. So use in this equation here. Therefore, equation 1 becomes. Therefore, equation 1 becomes x square divided by a value is 5. So right here 5 square plus y square divided by b value is 3 here. So 3 square is equal to 1 here. That is x square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 9 is equal to 1 here. So this is the required equation of the ellipse. This is the required equation of the ellipse. In this case, vertices 0 plus or minus 13 and foci 0 plus or minus 5. Here x coordinates are 0, 0. Therefore, points lies on y-axis here. Therefore, y-axis becomes a major axis here. The diagram is like this here. Okay. So here is a vertices here. So B and B dash. It's a coordinate 0, B and 0 minus of b and foci yes and yes dash here. So 0 5 and 0 minus 5. So y-axis becomes a major axis here. So vertices and foci lies on y-axis. Therefore, equation of the ellipse is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a is less than b. In this case, vertices are 0 plus or minus b. They are already given 0 plus or minus 13. Okay, so 0 plus or minus 13 here. Therefore, b is equal to 13 here. The value of b is equal to 13. And foci, so 0 plus or minus b into e is equal to 0 plus or minus 5. Therefore, b into e is equal to 5. Then we know that here. In this case, so a square is equal to b square into 1 minus of a square here. Take a b square inside the bracket here. So b square minus of b square e square here. Then b value is 13. So 13 square, b into is 5. So 5 square here. So 13 square is 169 and 5 square is 25 here. Therefore, here this is equal to 144. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 12. Substitute a and b values here. Therefore, x square by 12 square here, y square by 13 square is equal to 1. That is x square divided by 144 plus y square divided by 169 is equal to 1 here. So this is the required equation of the ellipse. In this case, ends of the major axis plus or minus 3, 0 and ends of the minor axis are 0 plus or minus 2. Therefore, here points lies on x axis here. Therefore, major axis is along x axis. Here x coordinate is 0. Points lies on y axis here. Therefore, minor axis is along y axis here. Okay. Here ends of major axis plus or minus 3, 0 lies on x axis here. And ends of minor axis 0 plus or minus 2 lies on y axis here. Therefore, here x axis is the major axis, x axis is the major axis and y axis is the minor axis here. Therefore, ends of major axis here, ends of major axis plus or minus a, 0 is equal to plus or minus 3, 0 and ends of the minor axis So 0 plus or minus b is equal to 0 plus or minus 2f. Okay. So here x-axis is the major axis here, y-axis is the minor axis. So therefore here these are ends of the major axis here. So a0 minus a0. Even these are also called vertices here. Then ends of the minor axis here. So one coordinate is 0 b here. The other one is 0 minus b here. Okay. Therefore here a value is 3 and b value is 12. Therefore a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 12. Therefore equation of ellipse is, therefore equation of ellipse is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. In this case a is greater than b. Therefore x square divided by 3 square here, then plus y square divided by 2 square is equal to 1 here. That is x square divided by 9 plus y square divided by 4 is equal to 1 here. So this is the required equation of the ellipse here. So in this example here, ends of the major axis 0 plus or minus root 5, ends of the minor axis plus or minus 1 comma 0. Therefore ends of the major axis is 0 plus or minus root 5 lies on the y axis here because x coordinate is 0. Ends of the minor axis plus or minus 1 comma 0 lies on x axis here, means lies here. X axis becomes a major axis here. Okay, here these are the points here 0 b and 0 minus of b here. In this case they given here 0 plus or minus root 5 means this value 0 root of 5 and here 0 minus of root 5. Then ends of the minor axis here. So 1 0 means a 0 here minus of a 0. In this case it is a minus 1 0 and here plus 1 0. Therefore axis y axis is the major axis here. Here y axis becomes a major axis here. Okay, and x axis becomes a minor axis. This is x axis here. X axis is a minor axis. Therefore ends of the major axis are 0 plus or minus root of 5 or take here 0 plus or minus b here is equal to 0 plus or minus root of 5, and then end of the minor axis plus or minus a comma 0 is equal to plus or minus 1 comma 0. Therefore a value is 1 here, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to root of 5. Therefore equation of the ellipse is this one. Here a is less than b here. Therefore x square divided by 1 square plus y square divided by root 5 square is equal to 1 here. X square divided by 1 plus y square divided by 5 is equal to 1 here. So this is the equation of the ellipse.